2010 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power steering, automatic transmission, air conditioning, front, cruise control, compass, passenger airbag, remote power door locks, power windows, daytime running lights, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, heads-up display, privacy glass, power heated outside mirrors. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Come take a test drive today.